Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the GTA 5 error code not eligible for migration. And let's get straight into the video. So just to make sure, this error code happens because one of your accounts has either been temporarily suspended or it's been permanently banned, and if this is the case, then migration will not be possible either until your account gets suspended or whatever, or if it's permanently banned, then this is not going to be able to happen at all. However, if that is not the case, then what you can try doing is go over to any browser of your choice and then log into Rockstar Games. From Rockstar Games, make your way over to account and then settings and then linked accounts, and then try linking your account from here. And if you have already linked your account from here, unlink it and then link it back, and then check to see if that helps fix the issue, because that should help fix the issue. And that should basically be it for the video. That is how to fix the issue. Again, if your account has been permanently banned and you cannot do anything about it, and if it has been suspended for a certain amount of time, just wait until you get unbanned. But other than that, I recommend doing this, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.